project in Visual Studio 2022. So first here in Google search box right there Visual Studio 2022, then you can go on this Microsoft.com site. So go on this download, here you need to select the enterprise. So enterprise you need to select. After that this download that has done for Visual Studio setup.exe, you need to click this Visual Studio installer that's come there, click on continue. So this is getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Download and install is going on. The next is here you can get this here Visual Studio 22. So you need to select here ASP.NET and Web Development. Inside you can get this off. If I click this, then you can get this off. If you want, then you can select some features. Here uncheck this. If you want, then you can use their .NET Web Assembly. Okay. After that, you need to click on this install. So this is now Visual Studio Enterprise 2022 is now installing. Studio Enterprise version that installed successfully. After that you can get this. So here this option. So let's click on this create a new project. So this here. So first we need to select this place Seesaw. Then they are going to use their wave. So wave now if I scroll down here you can see this here ASP.NET Core or web model view. So here you can get this MVC option, or if I scroll down, here you can get ASP.NET web application, and then you can also get their web forms, MVC, web API, this option. So let's select this option, and now let's click on this next. So here let's give MVC, then first project. So this framework that's selected there, if you want then you can choose their file. And after that, let's click on this create. Here you can get this all options. So MVC you need to select, and if you want then you can choose their web app, web. If you want then you can web API, this you can add. Here you can provide the authentication. So now let's click on this create. So this is now creating the MVC project inside this Visual Studio 2022. So this is now creating a project, and now you can get this. So use Copilot B, and let's close this. And now here you can see this all content that's up there. Web config, click there. Let's click yes. You can see this all, and after that if I go here you can see this is controller. This is home controller. So when user view, so when user click on this about, then return there, contact is return there, return view. And now here after this will open in Edge. So you can select any of your favorite browser. Let's select this Firefox, and now let's start test. IIS Express Firefox. So project is now opening inside this. Output is now opening in the Firefox browser. So this is localhost or this here. And now you can get this application name. And here if I click on this about, this is the about section, this is the contact page, this is the home section. And you can get this all. Okay, so this is the most simplest way we can create the first project. The first project inside this MVC, Model View Controller. Okay, and now let's close this. Then